Hello, welcome to Tim Anderson Horse Training. Today I'm riding Magnum. He'll be going home this coming up week, and I wanted to show you what he was like. I've had him 30 days. I'll show you a little clip of him when he first came in. This is the one that was sold as a broke horse and really wasn't broke. His steering is pretty good for only being basically, I don't know how much they rode him before I got him, but I don't think it was very much. Still riding him in the ring snaffle. If you remember in the first video or two I had a halter on him and I was riding him on the halter. So I'm riding him on the bit now. He seems to understand better how to follow the rein. When I ask him with the rein, he's not really fussing about it too much. No more than what I would expect. Remember, his head was kind of high earlier when he wasn't bucking, and he was pretty tense. He's pretty relaxed now. Follows his nose pretty good. As I point his nose, I'm bumping a little bit with my legs, and he's doing okay. Let's pick up a trot and let's see what happens. He kind of generally has more whoa than go most of the time, which is pretty nice. I think he's going to turn out to be a pretty nice horse. His owner said he's got some cows, and he's planning on kind of using them to go out and check his cows, move the cows around. I've worked him on cows. He's not cowy like a cutting horse, but he will pin his ears and make a move. We'll go down here and get a little bit of a lope going. Coming back to you. It's an extended trot there. He has a real nice, easy lope. Good boy. So that's Magnum. After 30 days of working him, he was pretty rank when he came in. Definitely not broke. Still has some work to do. His steering could be better, but he's turning out to be a pretty nice horse. All the horses that you see in my videos are horses that were sent in for training. He's one of them. If you have a horse that has a problem or something that needs work on and you want to talk to me about sending it for training, give me a message. Until next time, thank you for watching.